Hi, welcome back. In this session, we are going to talk about one of the most interesting topics about the internet, and that is how search engines actually work. I'm very excited. Stay tuned. Now, Google is a very complex system. We all understand that. But the concept, the foundations of how Google works is rather simple. Now, Google uses a software program called crawlers. When you create a website, for example, and you create content on your website, these crawlers go there, fetch the content from that website. They go to the website, look at the page, in the sense scan the page initially, read the content on that, and then even take a snapshot like a picture. They then take this information to their database or the server, and this process of actually storing this information is called indexing. And finally, when you go to Google and search something like best pizza India, for example, you're going to get results not from the internet, but actually from Google's database. Essentially, that's how it works. Whenever you are searching something on Google, Google doesn't go out searching for that information on the internet. It does this well beforehand. Actually, it actually goes to these websites the moment the content is created, fetches the data, puts it on its index, organizes the whole thing, does the ranking, all just ready, waiting for you, so that when you type something, it's going to show you the results right up there in a fraction of a second. Isn't that amazing? That's how Google search engine actually works. While Google does the indexing of the different websites, organizing and ranking, the good thing and a great thing actually about Google is the fact that Google does not take money in order to rank websites. That's the beauty of search engine optimization. Google does not take money to crawl, index the content more, or to even rank. It's all based on organic, meaning naturally. So that's the beauty about Google search engines.